Well, hello there, guys. It's me, the Amazing Deer, and today I'm going to teach you how to drive a John Deere 830 2nd Gen. First, what you're going to do is press your clutch all the way in. Turn your key this way. I'm not going to start it because my dad's not ready at the moment, because we're going to go push on some fields in a minute. Up here is park. You pull down, that's second. Let's see if it'll move over. First set of gears, reverse. And then over here we have first, second. Over here is third, up is fourth. When you're in your second set, you're in fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Then over here you got your hydraulics lever. It lifts your attachment up and down. Here's what controls like your boom arms on a 3-point sprayer or something. Move forward and back. Your PTO switch. Here is your PTO slow. It's not working on this particular one, but it does work on some others. This is your completely stop, because if you turn the key back, it will not stop. It will not turn off the tractor. You have to pull this. Your light switch. Hazards chain pull. There used to be something right here. You can pull as well. Individual foot brakes. Got your foot throttle here. And then obviously your steering wheel. Basically, put it into a set of gears, shift, press your throttle to get it going faster, and then that's it.